The world is full of secrets, from the hidden corners of history to the deepest mysteries of our planet. This is Secretra, where secrets come to life. Here lies Egypt's hidden depths, its unique history, and a legacy that spans thousands of years. Egypt, a civilization that rose along the fertile banks of the Nile. Temples that greeted the sunrise, priests who spoke with the gods, and monuments that speak across time. The most magnificent legacy of these lands is, without a doubt, the pyramids. But what do we really mean when we say pyramid? Are they just piles of stone or engineering marvels built thousands of years ago? Mysterious silhouettes. Three colossal structures rising from the desert just outside Cairo. In Giza, the pyramids of Khufu, Khafra, and Menkaure. Each one belonged to a pharaoh. Each one is a tomb. But these tombs were far from ordinary burial sites. They were places where mortals met the divine. After death, the pharaoh's bodies were mummified, and these massive structures were built to help their souls reach the afterlife. The Pyramid of Khufu is also known as the Great Pyramid. Standing at about 480 feet tall, it was the tallest structure in the world for centuries. It is estimated that 2.3 million stone blocks were used in its construction. Each stone weighs between 2 and 15 tons. And the most fascinating part, these stones were placed with millimetric precision, a true feat of engineering. But how was this colossal structure built? No cranes, no wheels, no iron, only human strength, simple tools, and extraordinary organization. Researchers believe that ramps were used, spiral ramps, straight inclines, or internal passageways. Whatever the method, it's certain that thousands of workers, architects, and craftsmen toiled for years to complete them. The inner structure of the pyramids is just as impressive as the exterior. Hidden chambers, narrow corridors, ventilation shafts. It is believed that there are still undiscovered spaces inside the Great Pyramid. In a 2017 scan, a hidden 30-meter void was detected. What it contains remains unknown. Sacred geometry and cosmic connections. The pyramids were not only tombs, but also astronomical structures. The pyramids of Giza are aligned with the Orion constellation. The ancient Egyptians believed the pharaoh's soul would ascend to the stars. That's why the structures were synchronized with the heavens. The base of the pyramids forms an almost perfect square. Each of its four sides faces the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. How was such precision achieved without modern measuring tools? That remains one of the enduring mysteries of the pyramids. Death and eternity. The pyramids symbolized a civilization that saw death not as an end, but as a passage. Pharaohs hoped to ascend to the light of the sun god Ra through these structures. The burial chambers inside were filled with treasures, gold, jewels, and sacred texts, all meant to ensure the pharaoh's rule continued in the afterlife. But over time, these structures were looted. Grave robbers stole the precious artifacts, yet the pyramids themselves still stand. Even after thousands of years, they defy the desert winds. Stones that transcend time. Today, the pyramids are not just Egypt's heritage, but humanity's. They are monuments where stone speaks and time takes form. Each one carries a message, that when knowledge, faith, and determination unite, humanity can achieve the impossible. On the Secretra channel, we'll continue to tell the stories behind these stones. Because understanding the past is the first step toward building the future. Thanks for watching, and remember, every story has a hidden truth.